Hey my queens, it's your girl Deja here, and I'm back with another video. But before we get into it, if you're new, hello, welcome to my channel. I'm QueenDee. You should definitely subscribe because we a big old family over here, and everybody needs a little bit of family in their life. And if you're not new and you're returning, hey, how you doing? I hope that, February treated you well, but it's a new month. It's March 2nd. And we about to live it up. Spring break is near, and spring is in the air, so you know it's about to be litty. But we are about to get into this video. So okay, y'all, so this video is going to be an influencer unboxing. And for those of you that do not know what Influencer is, it is a site where you sign up and they'll send you like Voxboxes based on like your likes and interests. And they'll send you, like, if they feel like you will be interested in it, they'll send you a survey, a link to the survey. You fill out the survey, and if you qualify based on your answers, they'll send you the Voxbox or whatever if you qualify for it. So it's completely free. You get more surveys based on like your social media influence, I guess, and based on the reviews that you post onto the site. So like if you always posting about stuff that you use and reviewing it and helping others, figure out what it does, then you'll definitely get entered to get more Voxboxes. So I will leave the link down below if you want to sign up for Influencer. I definitely recommend it. I've been signed up for it for about 2, maybe 3 years, and I've got about 10 Voxboxes in the last 3 years. You're not going to get one every month. They're not going to send you one every month, but just if they feel like you'd be interested in it and you qualify for it, then you'll get one more than likely. So yeah, I'm leaving the link below, but we're going to get into the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. And this is about to be another influencer unboxing. This is the Dazzle Voxbox, and we about to see what's inside. I just got it in. It's not open yet, so we about to see what's in this thing. So let's get it. Okay. Okay. Ooh, sorry. Okay, so first, you get the little paper. It's a Dazzle Voxbox, and it tells you what you get in it. So in this, I got Clarify Professional, Jazzing Semi-Permanent, and Temporary Hair Color. Okay, I got the Clarify Professional I Thrive Keratin Rescue Split and Repair. It retails for $9.99. The color retails for $6.49. And then I got the Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal, and it retails for $5.99 or $7.99 depending on the size you get. So yeah, so this is just what I got. Tells you what everything is. Then I got a coupon, because we like it. Coupons over here. Okay, so the first thing I see is the Clarify Professional I Thrive Keratin Rescue Split End Repair with Panthenol. And I actually am pretty excited to try this one. Because split ends, everybody gets them, and we all need a little bit extra keratin, because keratin is in our nails and our hairs, all of that. So I'm actually interested to try this. It says massage the damp hair and comb through, do not rinse, you just keep it in there. So I'm excited to try that. Then this Gold Bond Ultimate Hydrating Cream Radiance Renewal Cream Oil. Oh, this for your skin. Okay, this for your skin, which I need, because that winter be getting your skin looking cracked. And yeah, so I'm definitely ready to try that. Radiance Renewal Coconut Oil, Cocoa Butter, African Shea Butter. Gently exfoliates, high grease, 24-hour moisture. This look like, okay, this might be some good stuff. I'm gonna put you on. And then the last thing is this Clarify Jazzing Professionals color, and it's in the color Racing Wine, which is a pink color. I don't know if I can see that. It's a pink color. As y'all know, I'm blind, so I probably am not going to try this right away, because I am about to get my hair re-dyed, and when I go home, probably for spring break or after, because y'all see that black peeking through. But yeah, this is semi-permanent or permanent, depends on how long you, it's temporary or semi-permanent depending on how long you choose to leave it on there. So yeah, I'm a little nervous to try some pink, but eventually I will try, and eventually I'll let y'all know. But my friend just dyed her hair, dyed her weave orange, and she used this brand, and it looks good, so I can vouch for this brand. It's pretty good. Okay, so that's all in the Voxbox. Like I said, when I try these things out, I will probably hit y'all up with a review on them and let y'all know what it is, what they do, what it does, if I like them, if I think you should spend your money on them. But yeah, that's all for the Voxbox unboxing. Pretty short video. This is definitely one of their smaller Voxboxes because most of the time I get like 5-6 things in them. But it's cool. I'm not complaining because, you know, it was free. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, my queens. Love y'all.